Welcome back. What's going to happen when we remove these? Roll back graphic. So this is the last part of the fence reinforcing and rebuild. The trusses that are now here at the 90 degrees, they need taking down. I've already taken all of the concrete, bricks and wood and everything that's been holding it up, and it's looking like it's done a really good job here. So what's left? Just removing these, unscrewing them, taking them to bits, and then that's it. So let's watch that in time. Let's do this in time lapse so it looks extra fast. Yay. So here we are, the very last one. Let's take it to bits and enjoy the freestanding fence. Let's go. And that's it. The fence is standing. Let's check it out. First post. Second post. Third with the wisteria, unharmed. The fourth post with the rose, unharmed. And the fifth post, the last post, all done.